Thanks, Christina. Really exciting. And I've got a question for you about personal branding. So you have been very visible in the press. You got a number of fabulous awards. And you have really, first of all, you're an incredible inspiration to other entrepreneurs. But second of all, this is obviously fantastic for a company. What tips would you have for other entrepreneurs on achieving the success that you've achieved?
Well, I think, one thing that has really helped me is network, obviously. So that was a little bit easier before the pandemic happened, but always being, reaching out and trying to talk to people about the stuff that I love, which is Autheos and, just marketing trends in general. And in particular, certain things that were really discussed in the Black Report. So around access and visibility to underrepresented founders. So I think if you're able to speak passionately about things with a big group of people, that's going to also allow you to be able to just, sort of tailor your story and to be able to bring out those salient points that are going to be really interesting. And of course, these introductions, as people know your name, they're going to start recommending you on certain topics that you can speak about. And as you get a little bit more influence into certain topics, then those, in some cases, those journalists might reach out to you. But in other cases, you can put together a sort of proposal on a story and just make sure that proposal is hitting all the right notes in terms of being relevant to the audience of the publication that you're trying to get published into, and also make sure that with the publisher or the editor that you're creating that relationship with, that there's also something that they see is going to be super, super interesting and exciting and perhaps exclusive to their readers.
Yeah, it sounds incredible. Thanks so much for joining us today. Congrats on everything that you do. Thanks, Christina.
Thanks, Marta.